Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and leave it a like. This is Gsmedea, where you are paid for every task you perform online. As you can see, this is a pin for TikTok and this is a pin for YouTube. These are the places you find your tax, and these are the levels. This is AP level 0. This is the default level. It's a free level where you can perform maximum of 3 tasks daily, and this is AP level 1. You can join them by transferring €100 to them, and this is AP level 2 all through to AP level 5, €2,500 to join this daily task of 18 maximum tasks a day. And these are the tasks. These are the place you find your tasks that are in progress, and these are the failed tasks. These are the ones under review, and these are the tasks you've completed. As you can see, I've completed three daily tasks. As you can see, they are completed, and by liking 3 TikTok videos, I've completed them and they have approved it. And heading over to my account, this is my account, and this is the amount I've earned. This is €3 I earned just by completing this task. I completed just 3 tasks. I can see I earned €3, and this is the personal balance of euros I've earned, and this is the menu of this platform, and this is the total revenue. As you can see, it's €3, and this is where you can add your payment information. If you want to change your password, this is where to change your password, and this is the if you want to change your login password, this is where to change it. And if you want to add your bank, you can see bank option, and this is your USDT, your crypto option, and this is this way to download the application and run it through your home screen. And if you want to invite friends, this is the link you have to copy, and you can send it to your friend, and you'll be rewarded. And these are everything you need to know about this application. And if you want to, now this is the downside of this application. As you can see, this is what I've earned, and this is my wallet. So I type on the wallet icon, it opens my wallet, as you can see. But the problem with this application, with this platform, is that you cannot withdraw your money directly as it is. Even though you earned up to €200 or you earned €1,000, you cannot withdraw it. This is just how it is. You only see the number piling up, but you cannot withdraw, because this platform, I don't think it should be trusted. They said before you can withdraw the money you have earned, you have to deposit your own money from your bank or from your Bitcoin wallet. Deposit €130 and upgrade to AP level 1 before you'll be able to withdraw your balance. As you can see, this is the withdrawal option. As you can see, now they say I should choose a method for withdrawal. I choose bank, I confirm it, and I put the amount I want to. Let me assume I want to withdraw €2, and then I put. This is the problem with this platform. they say I should put in a a withdrawal, enter the fund password. There was not a place for fund password. They didn't ask me to set up a fund password. I was not given a fund password. This is just to tell you that you cannot withdraw from this app. I don't think you will ever withdraw from this app, because they require you to transfer to them your personal money, your 130 euros, before they allow you to withdraw. It doesn't make sense. If you earn all this money, you perform the task, you like all those videos, and you subscribe to some channel, it's your effort. It should be withdrawable at any time. But for you to pay for your own withdrawal, I think it's a very big scam. I would not advise you to put your money in this kind of thing. So if you are already in this platform and you are hoping to make it to the level of upgrading to AP level 1, I think you are just wasting your time. This is not a best platform to earn money. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.